Hey, good morning, everyone. Shoot, I was gonna move my camera up here. Forgot to move the camera. Shoot. So today we're gonna go over some branding stuff, personal branding. I missed a uh, webinar. These things are like taking forever to load too. I guess I'm not gonna go to it. It was just a networking webinar, but so I don't really know how to network. Uh, fairly well. But there's another one that's starting at 11 my time, which is like 30 minutes. But I'm just gonna stay on the stream the whole time because I don't want to drop. The next one is a starting a consulting business. I'm interested in seeing that. You guys can stay tuned. I don't know if it's gonna allow me to stream it, or if someone's gonna notice I'm streaming. I don't know. We'll see. I think it's a Teams meeting, so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. But stay tuned. I think even if someone flags me or whatever, I don't care. Um, so yeah, we're gonna go over personal, like social media branding, personal branding, and so I wanted to make some um, social media posts that I've been trying to get for like a while. This is Clipchamp, and I don't know. I've used it before, and I'm kind of getting back to it. Um, it seems like it's pretty. It's got like a good amount of templates here that you can just like, say like use this template. And let's give this a quick view. Just make sure audio is playing. I've used other. If anyone is interested in this stuff, I'll create links for it. It's Clipchamp. It's free. They do have a membership or a subscription you can pay for to get like more stuff and like OneDrive saves. It's a little pricey. I think I saw that it's like 14.99 a month, or you can pay for a year. The year's price not too bad. I think it's like 80 a year. But it comes up with a bunch of stuff. There's also the other one is what I forgot to do. Forgot to turn on my stream elements. Dang it. Um, what's the other one? I think it's called Envanto Elements. Okay, check this out. Check if you are getting into um, streaming, social media presence, YouTube content creation, whatever it may be. Check this place out. Um, get it for a month. This is how I've been using it. I just get it for a month. I get I look for a bunch of templates, video templates, stock video, fonts, graphics, whatever for like YouTube, and you can download them and you can use them forever, right? They give you the licensing, and there are different license agreements, but all the ones I have, as long as I've subscribed to one time, I can have them forever, right? So yeah, here you can see lifetime commercial license, um, and you can cancel at any time. It looks like the price has gone up. I think it used to be like $10 a month or $12 a month, but maybe I was in like a promo or something. But if you're gonna do content creation, do this. I had gone into it last year's. Some of my videos use it. Some of this content, it is great stuff. But the drawback is a lot of this stuff is visual. Um, After Effects, they have different like Illustrator, different Adobe products. Um, there is no like there's no templates that you can just like use like Clipchamp. And so I think a lot of this stuff is really good, but you also have to have the software to support it. Well, that is a drawback, I would say. You can't just there's no software you can use that can just drop this stuff in and then replace text, right? You have to use the software like, if it's After Effects files or Illustrator files, whatever it may be. But that's where like Clipchamp comes in. Um, Clipchamp has their own templates, and I can just go in here. Let's go and play this. It's got its own music and everything, and like look what I'll use this for. So instead of shop now, let's go and bring this up. I'm gonna say like streaming now. Put that all caps. And we're gonna do like let's see, Twitch live. We'll make that all caps. And let's reduce that size. So it's like super easy to use. And I'm gonna create some content. Oh, I forgot I was gonna, let me get my stream stuff going. I always gotta promote myself everywhere. So this is what I do too, in a bunch of different Discords. So I'll just post that. I'm in different Discords. These are all great Discords to be in. And then I'm going to copy that message and I'm just going to drop it in some of the other Discords I'm in that I'll have like promotional channels. And I just like drop this stuff in here and try to promote myself. Let everyone know I'm streaming. D7, RPG, and Creation Exchange. These are all great ones. Dead Wolf, what's up? Let me give you a shout in just a second. I think I have. I also use this one too. I'll talk about this in a second. Oh, I don't have one for you. I'll have to add one for you. What's going on, Ian? Give you a shout out. I don't know if anyone's in here yet. Let's see. Code Red. All great developers. Code Red Games, Maui Game Studio. D757 plays a lot of RPG Maker games. RPG, this one's made by Heroic Zephyr, another RPG Maker dev. And I think she published her game not too long ago. RPG Makers, this one's I've been in a long time. It seems like it's a little bit going slow lately, but we'll see. Hopefully it comes back. I'm not sure what's going on. And then the Rarely Typical Players is a podcast from D7 and a few other RPG Maker fans. So check out those ones. Maybe I'll add those links. But let's get back to it. So this makes it like really easy because you can just like have this. You don't have to pay for Clipchamp, and it comes with templates for free. I think if you pay, you get more templates. You can search the store for more templates and stuff. I did do a free trial, and so let's see what's in it. And let's see, I might just, and then do something like game dev. Okay. And so super easy, right? You just play it. And so this is just going to be my new, called like my new stories for like Instagram and probably TikTok. I'm gonna start putting this on TikToks. I'll start doing TikToks there. And so I think all you gotta do, give it a name, say and then we're gonna talk about personal branding stuff. I'm going to see. And then all you have to do is just like export this out and say 1080. I think this is fine. And I'm gonna save that to my computer. And yeah, you can upload to. So I think the premium offers you to upload to YouTube right away. You can send to TikTok, share in LinkedIn. So cool, right? So let's go over some of this stuff. Some more templates. Um, so they have a bunch of stuff. Got text overlays. So I'm gonna just be making a bunch of different things today. And let me go to Jira too. So I also use Jira. I use a bunch of different software. Um, and I just added myself to my own studio group. And so I don't think I'll be working on Koisugi today. Maybe I will. Not sure yet. Depends on how much I get done. But I want to make sure I get all this branding stuff done so I can start posting more. And I'm probably gonna do some posts or make some stuff for Blind Cat Studios too. Um, because Blind Cat Studios is we are definitely failing in the marketing department. So what the heck am I doing there? Jira projects. Forget where this stuff's at. Okay, I'm in this one now. So what I do is I just invited myself to this other workspace. Let me see. I'm going to try to go to dark mode here. We're gonna talk about branding stuff today, personal branding. I'm gonna go into LinkedIn, talk about branding there. Maybe even branding like Jira stuff, like maybe branding everywhere. Um, and I don't remember how to change my settings. Might be under project settings. Here we go. Alright, cool. Just wanted to make sure I wasn't sharing anything, but it's under personal settings there. And again, Jira's free too, so. Um, cool. Cool. Oh, Jira. And I kind of just made my to-do list here. What I'll be working on today, LinkedIn updates, update resume. I'm gonna do I wanted to do the Twitch intro, but I'll do that later. This one, waiting for Steam. The personal branding is what I'm doing right now. Personal branding video. I'm gonna make a tutorial on how to do like talking about personal branding. And then get some back. So social media stuff. LinkedIn personal. And I'm gonna be updating my resumes too, so you guys can check that stuff out. Cool. Hopefully everything's good. Alright. Alright. I don't know what's going on with Twitch. I was having issues the other day too. Okay. So going back to let's check out gaming, slideshow celebrations, Facebook ads, social media ads. I haven't looked at everything yet, but let's check out marketing. And I just want something simple. You can also go searching like say gaming. And just use these templates, right? Just check out this outro card. You can put like videos here and whatnot, right? Trying to like market yourself for stuff. But I want stuff that's like square for Instagram. So square, perfect, nothing. Nice. 4 to 5, no. Portrait. So a bunch of portrait stuff. I don't know why there's like a bunch of portrait stuff. But I think there is premium stuff, but I think because I have the premium, I can use it all. But like they have Sea of Thieves stuff. They have game overlays or stream overlays stuff. But nothing I'm really looking for. You get your little brand kit. I wish it would auto generate a palette, but I had to like pick colors from my logo. And so like you can just add stuff here and start generating a library. So it's like really good. I really like Clipchamp. But let's go with new templates, Pinterest, Sea of Thieves, video meme, maybe. Marketing really didn't have what I was looking for. There's really not a lot here. I don't know how to look for more. I thought it said. Like, this is like a good outro video. It's a little. So, like, having links, I gotta get better about that stuff. For my channels. I swear there was more templates. Let me see. Don't look at my email. Even create videos with AI. I've been using it. This is how I record my I'm back video. Um, intro, outros. I don't know what this slideshow is. I'm just looking for something to use for like, hey, like new update or like a celebration post. Let's check out corporate. Twitch is not loading over here. Oh no. ATG. Sorry, I didn't see your message. I think I've lost chat again. Dang it. I don't know how to reload. Oh, that message came through. This is why I load up Twitch to see if I'm missing any messages. Yep. I'm gonna do some personal branding today. Like Twitch says there's 6 viewers, and OBS is saying there's only 2. So I don't know. I think OBS is really far behind, or I don't know what's going on. Okay. Like here's like a best of 2024. I'm making some social media stuff for us to for like not only my studio branding, but I'm gonna start pushing Blind Cat Studio stuff too. Because we just got like post stuff. Like that's all it's about. And I'm just looking for, I thought there was an option to look for more templates, but I do not see it. Like even in something like this. It's simple. And then I'm going to be joining a webinar soon, if that will ever load. But this one, I'm just going to stay streaming and hopefully it doesn't cause issues. This webinar is going to be about starting a consulting business. So I'm interested in that. I might try to join soon because every time I try to join at the time with these webinars, it's been taking like 10 minutes, 15 minutes just to join. So I know there's like a ton of people joining. I mean, but it's not even that many. It's like maybe 100 people. I mean, that is a lot, I'm sure, for this company, but it's really not a lot. Should be able to handle Teams meetings or Zoom meetings with this many people. Anyways, um, how do I get more templates? Let's see. Nope. Let's see. Let's support some chat. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Like all this stuff. Let me guys just look for gaming. And if you guys have any ideas, like if you got any good software to use for um, templates, what you guys use for social media posting, let me know. Um, because I like Clipchamp, and I've used Stream Elements, but not Stream Elements. What's it called? Uh, Envato Elements, right? Procreate Dreams. Procreate, is that only on Mac though, right? Is that on iPads? I can't remember if that's the one that's Mac only. Yeah, and that's true. Like even like Adobe, yeah, iPads. Okay. Uh, a lot of companies are going AI route, so I'm gonna be looking for some AI videos and stuff like that. Let's see. Gonna see if no, I don't think so. I know. I'm trying to remember. There's like another software that also did it that gave out like free templates and stuff. This is like where maybe like you start using AI image generation. It's like, hey, like just go to like I don't know what's it called Journey and whatnot to yeah lame. Okay, What was I doing? There was another software, and I'm trying to remember what it was. That it also had the similar thing, and it was focused on social media. I can't remember what it was. Let's say YouTube. Intro, outro. I just want like a simple post to say, hey, this is just like updates and stuff. So I went to like the corporate ones, but I just want something simple. Maybe this one. Because I can replace all the text, right? So Boxing Day sale. Use this one. Like, just looking at the background, like what do I want? And so check this out. Like kinda unique, and this is where like man, let's check out AI image generator. I think there is. Oh, see, like Involunto has their AI generator now. Google Gemini, I've used a bit as well. So let's try this. I don't know. I haven't used it, Gemini that much, but say create Instagram background image. I don't know. The Instagram. Let's see. I'm gonna take it off screen. I don't know if how it does. I haven't done the image generation yet here. Oh, that's cool. Like let's see. And yeah, so like doing something like this, where this is where like a lot of people are using like AI generation, and I think it makes sense. I've been using Gemini for social media posting. See. And so I know there's some courses online that show you like, hey, these are places to go to, places that to use. Like this one's boring as heck. Let's see. See what it does, right? I mean, I like this one. I'm gonna save that one. Can I save it? I can download it. I'm like, these are random. Like, and these come out pretty cool. I like these. Couldn't download image. Why? Do I have to pay? Okay, there you go. There we go. Did it download the other one? Okay, cool. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna join this meeting, see if I can. Should have joined it a little bit sooner. Yo, welcome from YouTube. What's going on? Welcome to my channel. I don't get many people from YouTube, so appreciate you dropping in. Um, we're going over some personal branding stuff. On YouTube, I'm Heroes Legends Studios. That is my own video game company, starting out trying to publish some apps and games. Um, on the Twitch side of things, oh shoot, sorry, there might have been echo. On the Twitch side of things, I'm also streaming on Twitch. There I am. I'm Monkey King Twitch, and I stream game dev. I just started streaming on YouTube recently using Restream. I've been working with Blind Cat Studios, developing a game uh, called Koisugi and the Water Guardian. I'll post that link now. Um, Actually, I think do I have it set up? I do. Check out the Steam link there. Go ahead, wishlist the game. Check out the trailer. I'm trying to join a meeting or webinar right now. But maybe I'll show the game. Might have a minute. I'm gonna shut down Unity to. Let's just open in the background. I'll show this game. So that's like the first look into the game. Um, you play as Keita, who's a koi, and you see this. Your pawn has been infected by this pollution, and it's causing all the wildlife around you to go rampant, start rampaging, and like destroying your home. So you venture out and travel up the river to try to find the source of this pollution. And um, the source of this pollution, and along the way you encounter different wildlife, animals that are like enraged with this pollution. So I'm hearing the audio coming from somewhere. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, the game looks great. We have a great artist, but it's very art-heavy game, and our artist is always swamped with her own work. She does contracting too, so we don't have a whole lot of art. We have a lot of concept stuff that were showed in the demo. I have no idea where it's playing music from. Okay. That was weird. But yeah, wishlist the game. I did not realize my stream elements links are not being played in Do you guys hear that? It's gotta be playing for y'all too, right? I don't see it anywhere. What the heck? Okay, yeah, I have no idea why that played 2 more times. Maybe that was like an echo or something. And it's playing again. What the heck? Oh, my bad. Oops. Alright, maybe I'll mute it and see if it comes back again. Like, I'm not being, like, my voice isn't being echoed. Hey, Bloody Wolf, thank you for the subscription. Oh, wait, that's not a subscription. That was like that's a notification. Never mind. What the? I don't know. Let me snooze the ads for a minute. I do not know why. It's just like playing again and again. I have it muted for you guys, but it's playing. Am I crazy? They shut down. I have no idea where it's playing from, guys. It just keeps coming back. I don't have anything like. I don't have Steam open or anything. Yeah, I don't have any of that open. I think like, I don't know, reopen Steam. Like, I have my desktop audio muted, and it's like playing every few seconds. I don't have any like. Maybe that was like a weird bug. I don't know. Did I like? Was it playing and then I closed Steam and it's just like kept playing in the background? All right, I'm gonna unmute my desktop audio. Hopefully it's gone. I don't know what the heck that was. Anyways, I'm trying to get this freaking thing. Every day I've been having issues. Like, so I'm trying to start this join this webinar, but the same issue happened the other day. Like, look, it's been 10 minutes. It's been happening like every time. I have to like join. on, was it Monday? No, no, I think it was it Monday? No, I think it was yesterday. Yesterday, it took 20 minutes to join this meeting. I don't know why. I mean, maybe it's having issues because I'm streaming too. Maybe it's not gonna let me join. Okay, I think it stopped. Maybe there was like some weird bug that Steam was still playing it, even though I closed Steam. Anyways, Foes Ahmad. Well, thanks for hanging out. Like and subscribe to my YouTube. Appreciate any new subscribers. And yeah, ask me any questions about Unity or RPG Maker. My YouTube channel is definitely focused on RPG Maker, but I plan on making more um, Unity content and other content. Like today, we're going over personal branding, and plan on making a video about that stuff too. Okay, so anyways, before I got really sidetracked by that music, just making some kind of promotional post using Clipchamp. Um, so all I want is something to say, like, I can say, I think, where is content? You get more content from here. Oh, here's like some borders. Maybe this is what I saw last time. Okay, well, let me finish this one up, and I'll come back and make a new template and maybe put some stuff together here for like a basic post. So this one, I forget what I was going with this one. Just delete that one. I don't like this yellow. Keep hearing. I think this chat's still going off. But yeah, I think it was Steam. I think I must have had it playing when I closed Steam, and Steam just kept playing it. So weird. Alright, this yellow is ugly as heck. I don't know why they thought this was a good idea. We're gonna go with something a little darker. And let's see. Boxing Day. What do I want this to say? I don't even know what I was gonna go with here. Blind Cat Studios. And I don't like this white either. Let's change that up to like an orange or something. Darker. With a like white background. Does this background even show up? I don't even see it. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Never mind. Zero. I don't like this color. Go with maybe like a lighter, darker blue, maybe. I don't want it to blend. See? I keep trying to join these webinars and they just keep locking up. I don't like it. Maybe I'll just go with black. And then game dev. And now I don't like this color. Let's see. What is gonna be a good color? Nope. Nope, not red. White? Maybe we'll just go black and white. Oh no. Oh, the whole white thing is like dark. I might just go with white and white. Or like a white, off-white, gray. Yeah, I'll make Blind Cat white and then make this one a little bit gray. Like kind of fade off to the background. Who's that? Is that Big Amy? Oh, what's up? Thanks for the raid. What's going on? Shout out. Let me get you a shout out. Thanks for the raid. Appreciate it. Hey, we're going over. I'm working on some social media branding, doing some things. Eventually gonna go over some of my personal branding too. Talk about resume building and just branding yourself, branding your company. So what's going on? So I know this channel is Monkey King Twitch. I stream live game dev here. I'm working with Blind Cat Studios on our Koisugi game. I'll show that in just a second. I'm talking about my channel here. I stream RPG Maker game dev and Unity development, mostly focused on Unity development since I'm working with Blind Cat Studios. But today we've been really lacking on our social media kind of like presence. So not only am I working on my own branding, I'm working on Blind Cat Studios branding too. So you know Blind Cat Studios, he's my friend. I know him. Yeah, so I'm working with Blind Cat Studios. Programming. I think TG's in here. This guy's in here too. Works with us developing this game. And so I do like the social media posting on our Facebook page. But in addition, I have my own YouTube channel. Check out my links. Check out our Steam page. And on my YouTube channel, my studios, the Heroes Legends Studios, and there I make RPG Maker tutorials. So if you're a big fan of RPG Maker game, the game engine, I focus on MV and MZ. Then there is the, but I'm going to be bringing like all this stuff in. I was recently laid off, so any new subscribers to my YouTube channel, any followers here, I greatly appreciate it. I'm showing off Clipchamp now of how I use this stuff for branding. I really like it. So, but you're gonna start seeing more videos about like my next video is gonna be about personal branding, resume building, things like that, getting yourself out there, networking. I've been a software developer for 10 years now, so professionally, and now I'm kind of like in the middle of like, what do I do next, you know? So let's check it out. So let me bring up the game and show off the game. So the game is this video is a little bit older. We've made some changes, uh, mostly on the programming side. So, um, but feel free to ask questions. Appreciate the raid so much. And how was your stream? What were you working on, Bit Gaming? I'm also getting back into streaming, so if I just fixed my raid message the other day, so glad it's working. Glad it's working. Mostly just chatting today. Recreating Spy Hunter, awesome. That's a tech demo. That's really cool. Yeah, feel free to like if you have like any promo videos, any games you've worked on, feel free to drop links. Uh, I've got a few other people in here now too, so um, yeah, just out here sharing the love. Trying to build some templates here. Uh, Create a new video. No worries. I appreciate the raid. Um, and thank you for the lurk. I'll catch you later. Uh, and everyone, yeah, everyone who doesn't know who Bit Gaming is, a great game dev. I've been following them for a long time, so check out their videos, check out their stream whenever you get the chance. I haven't seen the Spy Hunter stuff yet, but that's gonna be super. That sounds super cool. So definitely want to go check that out. All right, so I'm just gonna create some like basic templates here too. See how this thing is still not loading. Like, how am I supposed to join this stuff? And they want me to, since I was like laid off, they want me to like they put me through this like program to help me transition to like new job, um, my employer. But they want me to go through these like meetings, these webinars, and they don't load. So I'm just like, okay, cool, I guess. I was even in streaming the other day, and it took me 20 minutes to join. And right now, I mean, it's supposed to start at 11. It's still not working. Excuse me. Excuse me. Which is like was disappointing the other day because I was streaming and I stopped streaming to jump on that meeting. And then it took me 20 minutes to join. Okay, so there's like all this content you can show. So this is pretty cool. And you can like just drag and drop this stuff here. Like that's a pretty cool kind of scene there. You can search for stuff, subscribe stickers, whatnot. So right now I'm just looking for something basic to create like social media posts. And I need to import there is a branding section. Where'd that go? Brand kit. So you can add stuff here. So let me add Blind Cat's logo. Hold on. I think I have it somewhere here. That one. Okay. So you can like add stuff here. There's a Blind Cat, and here's my new logo. But let's go back. And I just want something, not sure what I want. Maybe gaming. Gaming's always good. Yeah, I could just do something like this. Looks like it's animated. And so I like having, if I go to my media, nope, that, my brand kit, I'll just drag and drop this in here. And kind of put this as like a stamp right there. Then sorry. I'm opening up Twitch so I can see when the streams are, or the ads are coming through. So this one, I do want some transparency here. I don't know how everyone treats theirs, kind of branding, but I like having like a little stamp here, and then you can like put some text in front of it saying like, let's just add some text. And let's see. Forget what I used before for Blind Cat Studios. I like just using some bold fonts. And it's got to be clear, you know, like maybe crimson. And how do I get? How do I add? Here we go. And so like you could even start like building stuff out using a lot of their samples here. This is how I made some of our promotional videos for Blind Cat Studios. Let's see. They have different effects here, fireworks, fade. Let's use the double line here. And we can just say like simple things like 1,000 wish lists. We didn't, but we're getting there, I think. I don't monitor that stuff. Then we want crimson text and that's it. Like just making like simple posts like that, just having like a template that you can just like, hey, I need to get information out, especially when we're so bad at marketing ourselves. So having simple things like this, I think, helps out a lot. And it's like always to me that's like a lot going on. I don't know if there's a way to hide this stuff. Let me just turn that off like that, I guess. Let's change this line color. I need to get a different template out here. Let's go with like a What colors should I go with? Mm, I don't know. I haven't really come up with a color scheme for this guy yet. Well, let's make the logo a little bit more transparent. And just doing like simple stuff like that, I think helps out. I'm trying to think like I had like an idea of what I was gonna post today, and I can't remember. But like you can add these to your stories, you do whatever. Um, Save this as basic. Let's see. AS Black Cat Studios. Um, and then like do the same thing. Like I'll make another one for if I go home, it should show my stuff here. And like that was like my live game one, Blind Cat Studios. And I was working on an introduction, but I haven't made one yet. But I need to create a new one. New video. And again, go to like these overlays are pretty cool. Like this is stuff that I can also like use for uh, like stream elements, or I realized my stream elements wasn't on. Dang it. And what else? Oh, and I use what's called, I think it's called Atom, um, which is like really easy way to generate like content, I guess, or like notifications in. All these hook into the API, like the Twitch API. And so like a noob like me, and I don't have time to like look up the APIs and create my own scripts for Twitch. This just like makes it easy. It says like when it's like this, like Nita is like one of my biggest followers. He's been following me since the beginning, since I started streaming. Um, so it'll do like a chat announcement and do like just when he joins, it should do this. But I don't know. Um, I just started using it, so I'm not sure if it works because I think he has to chat in the stream and then it'll trigger it. So, but getting stuff like that into that, you can let me see. I know they have a streaming channel. They talk about the development of some new stuff. Um, and you can add like videos. Let me see if there's. I think there's like this one. See, I think I had closed. So like if someone follows, it should trigger this this confetti explosion, which I actually don't know if that's gonna work or not. And it should play some music, but I don't know if it's still connected or not. Anyways, let me make something for mine. Same thing. So this is my studio logo, and I'll be working on like more stuff for it. Oh, I think, yeah, like doing like YouTube intros or Twitch intros, I think would be good to have. Let me see. So, not overlays. Frames. I don't know if I want frames or not. Maybe watercolor. I think these are all static. And I think you can take screenshots of all this stuff. Well, I mean, even if you couldn't, you just could just screenshot stuff. There's like a nice simple one. A little background. If you want something simple, you can add this one. Like it's just a simple shadow. And like I think when you start thinking about branding and just talking about your social media presence, I think, everyone's right. Like you just gotta keep posting and start like getting your name out there, getting new views. So like Valentine's Day is coming out. And so just like, oh, you know what, I'm just gonna do this. Or it's I'm gonna have like a festive post from like all of February or something. Um Getting like I think they have like meme generators on here too. I don't know who else is like into game development here. Um or who else has like a studio working on some games. So feel free to drop your ideas here if you know if you have any ideas or like what do you do for social media, right? Because I'm terrible at this marketing stuff. Oh, these ones are funny. This is what I'm gonna do when I'm late to streams. I'm just gonna post this and say like this one's hilarious. I don't know if that text is just really small. See, this one's funny. Where to go? Let's see. Say like running late. I don't want like a background. I say got a background. I think we can say. Let's change that text color to like black. Oh, maybe white. Yeah. Why is it got like? Oh, we gotta change that font. That font is not doing it. Shadow color. Darker. And that shadow is like really like bold. All right, switch it up. I don't like it. Let's use like the typewriter effect. Let's delete that. That logo looks really bad. I don't know why it looks all pixelated. Okay. Oops. Mm-hmm. Where did I get that logo from? Me. Go to my brand kit. Can I just drag you in here? No. Is that the one? I think that is it. What the heck? I mean, that's maybe it is just too large and I gotta resize it. Oops. And it's just getting pixelated down. looks good there. I think that's just a funny one. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. What was I doing? I'm just checking out stuff, guys, so feel free. Sorry, I keep shaking the desk. I'm kind of just checking stuff out. I haven't been on, I haven't used Clipchamp in a while, so it's my first day getting back. I do some intros or something. Let's see if they have something like that. Do an intro for like YouTube, or yeah, sound effects. They got Sea of Thieves. I mean, that's pretty good. That's what we need for the game. See, I'm never joining this meeting. It's already like over. Oh, now it lets me join. Just an hour late. I can't ban you, watch. I do follow Varden. I do follow him. Tell him to follow me. Does he follow me? I'm gonna go look right now. If he doesn't follow me, I'm gonna ban you. Right now. Yeah, let's join this meeting. Like 45 minutes late. No, I can't. I can't join while streaming. It's blocking the content. Well, like I'm an hour late. Like, not even gonna join. I'm gonna try to get the content. Like it started. So dumb. I can't believe that, bro. I've been trying to get into this meeting for like the past hour, and it just like loads. It happens every time. I gotta like close it, open it, close it, open it. And yeah, I thought that would happen. I'm streaming, so it's not letting me join, or like see the content. And so what I'm gonna do is, they had this with the other place, with the other webinar. I think there was some content. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, you guys can't see my screen. Yeah, I have 10 viewers for this pro. Big Gamey rated me, so you missed out. Go check out Big Gamey. If you don't follow him already, you should follow him. I'm a pro streamer, bro. No one knows. Fake Leg Guy is one of my friends. One of my close friends, so I'll bullshit with him. Anyways, so it was fine with me sharing this content. I just can't. I guess I can't stream the meetings, which I get. It's using Teams, and I'm pretty sure Teams is probably blocking that stuff. So, but I mean, it took me an hour to try to join. So dumb. I wasn't consulting. That's what I was like. Oh, resources. Let me go look. Resources. Yeah. So how to write a business plan, networking tips. Um, I'm not seeing it. Let me sell business. 30-second commercial. Oh, so like this is a good one. Like how to set and bill consulting fees. So like starting your own consulting business. So yeah, I'm gonna ban you. Fake leg. Thanks for the follow. Swaggy V, what's up? Now I gotta ban fake leg. Yeah, I'm gonna like that's what I'm doing today. It's like personal branding, so I'm actually gonna go over that some more. Um, I've been trying to do some social media stuff, checking out Clipchamp. Um, but we're gonna go over personal branding next, and after this ad. So an ad's gonna come up in like 5 minutes, and then I'll jump over to that, talking about how to like build your presence online, start networking, building your like not only your studio brand, building a brand for yourself, like being a professional. You'll see like I have like a brand new LinkedIn, and I'll show you how like I'm gonna update that, showing like my resumes and all that stuff. I haven't updated my resumes at all, right? I'm gonna do that all here, and then I'll probably make a video on my YouTube channel. Again, check out my YouTube channel, and start posting more videos like that, like networking videos. You know, just like building your brand, along with like some Unity videos and whatnot. Now I'm getting Teams notifications because I joined that meeting. Um, there's gonna be resume samples, things like how do you build your resume for a tech job. Again, I've been doing like software development for about 12 years now, and entry level position all the way to like manager. Um, so Rooster Teeth is back. No, okay. Maybe I'll go apply for Rooster Teeth. Um, like figuring out like what you want, getting what you want, negotiating like um, things, things that I'm going to be trying to talk about. I've been consulting before. I was a contractor for 3 years, and so like trying to like build that resume, interview skills, interview tips, prepping for interviews. How do you prep for your interviews? Things like that. Go apply. You can be their social media manager. Um, so let's see. Don't I don't know how that one. Oh, see, I type consulting again, and now it comes up with different stuff. Called consulting agreement, fees, and such. So let's check out this one. This is a quick read. Start making your ATP videos, bro. I'm telling you, I might go full time dev and create like my own studio and consulting business. Um, I'm really surprised they let me like share this. So no one rat me out, right? I get busted. Don't rat me out. You don't know who I work for. One of the first priorities building consulting practice, clarifying the scope of your services. Again, like if you guys know the RPG Maker community, you'll know like Level Up Design. He's got like a big YouTube channel. This guy went into consulting too, and I think that is let's check out YouTube. We'll talk about Level Up. Level Up Design. This guy, I'm subscribed. Um, he started out like, I definitely think this is a success story, and ads are gonna come in like 30 seconds. So, um, definitely a success story. I'll talk about after the ads, and we'll go right into like branding. Um, cool, cool. Little Freshie, what's up? Ads coming in like 20 seconds. So hang out, watch the ad, support me, and I'll catch y'all in a little bit. That's awesome, man. Start streaming. I'm doing it. Is everyone back from the ads? What's up, little freshie? How's it going? Let's see. So, I'm going to talk about personal branding. I've got you know, I think when you go on about this, and so I'm going to be, this is my own personal LinkedIn, um, creating my brand here. You've got to ask yourself a few things, and you always want to have like a strong presence, right? You got to ask yourself a few questions, really, um, like what do you love to do, and what do you do best, right? And you gotta build that image so that people can like read your tagline and whatnot. So I gotta update this real quick. So I'm gonna change a few things. Uh, make sure there's like no personal information here. Right, let's see. Like I don't know how to set the. Give me just a minute. What the heck? Okay, sorry. I was trying to figure that stuff out, guys. Um, what's up? Welcome, Zarmux. Appreciate it. Yeah, thanks for lurking. Um, trying to bring some stuff up here, and let's go ahead and start editing some of this stuff. Uh, so, um, so this headline is like what shows up to everybody, like that sees your profile. I know I need to get like a professional like photo taken, and put that up here. I need to do that sooner rather than later. And uh, and so just to like, I'm just gonna type everything here just so we don't see it. Let's talk about video games. I'll add my education later. And really, that's not an industry. See, and this is why no one uses LinkedIn, because they say um gaming. See, every time I think of gaming, there's mobile gaming apps. Really, you have mobile gaming apps, but you don't have video games. Like entertainment, computer games. Like that's just silly games. Just computer games, I guess. I can't believe that's like not a thing. Learn more about industry options and why there's none here. All right. So like even I have to ask myself these questions every time. Um, like I love making video games, but I've never been in like in the industry, in the gaming industry, right? I've built games, I've built apps, um, but my professional experience is all software development. So I've developed casino games, slot games. I've been developing uh, mobile game or not mobile game, mobile apps for iPhones. Been working at different companies to develop, you know, software applications for like mobile devices, right? So, um, but is it time to like transition into video games? And right now, like, is that like what I want to focus on? Do I want to start going towards like being a consultant in video games, or do I want to start building that consulting business, start working towards like helping other developers build their Unity games or their RPG Maker games, or do I need to like focus on like my software, which I might just do like software for now because like that's gonna be easy to talk about. Um, and maybe I'll add like both in there, right? So it's not easy like trying to like redefine yourself in any like job market, right? And so I think the goal here is to your headline, get your position in there, um, and like what your goals are, like what you love to do, and say software, like who you are, what you like love to do. So software and game development is what I love to do, and like what strengths you what strengths you bring and what your goals are. And this should all just be like one line, two lines, right? So really hard to kind of get all that into like one line, two lines. But what are my goals? So or like what are my strengths? Talking about like like strong communication skills, right? um, focused on like uh, like say like goal oriented, and like what do I deliver as like an asset, right? Like forward thinking. I'm just gonna throw some things out there because we're all just like brainstorming here. Um, and you have to think about like yeah, what you provide, like value wise, like what do you do? What do you create for your own team, your department or the company? Like what do you do for the company? And that's what like you're trying to build. Like who is this person, and what can they provide for me? So like if I decide to go like a consulting route, like what what are they? What kind of image am I going to create? And trying to get that into like a 1 2 line sentence, which again, like it's really hard to do. Um, because you're just trying to define yourself, like define who you are in like just a matter of a few words, and that's never easy. Um, so I'm gonna write those things down too. Let me see. Um, like what value do I bring? And what problems do I solve? Right? And then like I think this goes into like what best describes me. Let's see. And then we can go into like skills and whatever. Which goes down here. Oh, let's see. But like, how do you wrap this into like something like a nice headline? Because it'd be like, okay, saying like, oh, you know what, communicating goal, like goal orient. I don't know how to say this. Communicating goal, communicating like, ah, man, I can't think right now of anything good. Usually, I have to like spend a few minutes to like get ideas out of what I want to say. And then like determining like okay, with what skills do I have, where's the market going for like what I want to do. So if I focus on software and game development, like where they're both very similar in like market wise, like where are they going? A lot of companies are going towards AI, bringing AI. So knowing that I've got to pick up those trends. Everyone's like learning React Native, um, merging between like mobile development and web development, is another trend that a lot of companies are going. And I may not agree with it, because it always comes down to like the bottom line. Um, and every business aspect, thinking about things as a business, it always comes down to like what can we do more with less, right? And people can do more with AI with less effort. People can do more with a multi-platform language with less developers, right? With fewer developers. And so that's where a lot of businesses go, and that's just always going to happen with businesses. They're always going to take um, the business route of cutting that bottom line and making profits, and just it's always going to be the thing. And we're seeing today that more and more companies are laying more and more people off. So I just saw this morning that Workforce, which is an HR software company, um, they're laying off like 1,000 employees or 1,500 employees. So, and so I definitely want to say like the things I want to communicate is maybe I'll open this up in Notepad. Maybe that'll be a little bit easier. Headline. Copy this. I think it'll be a little bit easier. Um, so what do I want to bring? That start with the your title, right? We'll talk about. Let's make a little kind of worksheet here. What value do you bring? What problems do you solve? I think there was another one. Oh yeah, people had talked about like using AI for this stuff, um, creating this branding message, and whatnot. So right. So I want to be like a technical director, director level, senior level of software game development, right? So I bring a like definitely I think when it comes to like manager level, which I've been like management level, and I think that's what I should be going for. Um, what do I bring to the table for that? And like what am I known for? Which like I would say like I'm a strong team player, right? Um, strong focus on efficiency, right? And being like goal oriented, right? With like priorities and like anyone who's worked with me knows this. It's just always about evaluating what's going on with your projects, whether that's like a small project or a big project. Uh, and making sure like everyone's got like strong communication skills. So how do I like put this into a sentence, right? Um, I can say like using oh, let's try to like just spit something out. Using communication to generate more effective I don't know, paths Paths to success. And like the thing is, also like the goal is to also say like this is like I'm an expert in software and game development, right? Uh, to success. Uh, and let me see if I have some examples too. I should have grabbed some examples of other people. I think I had a presentation that had some examples. Let me see. Oh, here's some examples. Give you an idea of like what we're going for. So this here is like project manager, manage project from inception to delivery, meet complex technical performance and cost objectives, right? So it's like a clear statement of like what this person brings. Like as a project manager, they're able to manage projects from start to finish, right? And they're able to meet complex complex technical performance and costs of objectives, right? So they're able to hit their goals, right? So I think this is a good way to say like they're hitting goals, right? Here's like another example. Versatile IT consultant. Um, deliver large-scale complex programs, integrate process with technology, and optimize performance. So, uh, so maybe I'm being a little bit too wordy here, but I think start there, start being a little bit wordy, and you break it down, right, into like a strong message. All right. So communication, right, generate more effective paths to success. Um, building strong like programming skills through like forward thinking and learning, and then I don't know. Let's see. Building strong programming. What did I say? Building strong. I don't even know what I was trying to think there. Uh, what I was trying to say. The I think something else too is like if anyone who knows me, like always trying to like learn new things. So but like I don't think like you ever want to say like you're still learning, right? That's like a negative. Um, and like just in a business sense, you never say like, oh, I just graduated. Um, I have some experience doing X, Y, and Z. It's like, no, you always supposed to like brand yourself as an expert, right? Always like putting your best foot forward. So, and no one asks questions. No one makes the connection. Whether or not you are or aren't a efficient or great at what you're gonna do. This is why like soft skills are so important. Sadly, for people who are like not very, who are very like introverts and have trouble communicating, have trouble talking to people. Um, it sucks. Job hunting sucks for those people, because communication skills are so important. Um, Talking during interviews, talking during like any meetups or meeting with people. Um, it's all about presentation, and that those people that may be confident in themselves and like don't have the skill sets to do it will always get hired over people that are like timid and don't have, uh, but may have like the stronger skill set, right? Like I've hired plenty of people throughout my career, and it's it's really hard to hire people who are timid. And so talking about interview prep, about getting ready, getting yourself ready, getting mentally prepared for interviews matters. Like if you know you struggle with interviews, then you know your weakness, right? And so you got to focus on your strengths, bringing those forward, and then work on your weaknesses, right? All the time. I don't like this forward thinking bit. Uh, and then like another way to say this is like, I don't know, generates. Or like maybe even like make it separate, say like focus on goals and priorities. I think like everyone does that, but um, then you can say like generates efficient path to success. develops I can say like efficient software software and games through what was I gonna say? Uh, I was gonna say like uh, with like I don't know. And then you gotta throw in like some I think like this IT consultant one, deliver large scale complex programs and integrate process with technology and optimize performance. Like those are things like do I have to start focusing on that? So like optimize performance, right? Like that's just a simple two zinger word. Um, we could say like performance. Hold on, let me rewrite this to say. I'm gonna write a few different ones and see. Take a look at each one. I don't think I want to say like performance goals. I think this is another one focused on goals and priorities. I don't know. I don't like this one. Generate sufficient paths to success. Like a better way to say this would be, I can say, communicating success through efficiency, right? Like that. Uh, that's like strong there. And then like I think I want the other one to say like strong like coding skills. Um, but how do you say that, right? Like maybe say like versatile coding skills. Say game development, software and games. I'll say software and games. don't think we need to say strong, we say versatile. And the other one I want to focus on is like on goals and priorities. And so we'll say like I can say like optimizing say optimize, maybe communicate success through efficiency. Optimize, what was I gonna say? I don't know. That's what I want to say. Like, so I'm liking this. So technical director, optimize goals and priorities, communicate success through efficiency and versatile coding skills for software and games. Um, and we're gonna take a quick break. Ad's gonna pop up in like 3 minutes, and I've been on here for about a couple hours now, so I'm gonna take like a 10-minute break, and then we can come back, wrap this up. Um, I'm liking where this is going, so stay tuned. Thanks everyone for hanging out. Who's still here. Um, and maybe we'll jump to some game dev after this, or just go raid somebody. But I'll see y'all in like 10 minutes. Cool. Oh yeah, game dev. It's like we want to see the game dev. We don't want to see any of this stuff. I hear you. I hear you. I'll be right back. Yo, I'm back. Alright. So, I like this. I think I'm gonna come back to this, like maybe later, maybe give it, like, let it sit. I did think, that communicate success through efficiency doesn't make sense. I think it may be better to say communicate success through effective goals and priorities, and then get rid of this, right? So I like this. And I'm gonna throw that on my LinkedIn page. And you know what? I might start making my own website too if I really want to do this this consulting stuff. Um, then yeah, maybe that's like a route I take. Oops, what am I doing? All right, so I think that's enough of that. What do I want to do next? Um, I want to do the app stuff, but I think I'm gonna wait. I think I'm gonna hold off on that. And I think I'm gonna focus on Blind Cat Studio project. So let's jump back to what I was doing yesterday, which is gonna be the state machine. Where did I put my... Move that over there. This, I'm gonna have to do this again. I want to join that, but I think I'm gonna reschedule that. See when I can do that consulting business thing. Um, and see like if there's any good information there. I think tomorrow's meeting. I don't know. Let me log in again. I think I have another webinar tomorrow. I think that one's early. Maybe I'll try to schedule them around stuff. Around my streams. Yeah, tomorrow's is at 9. Okay. So do this again. Hold on, let me find that again. Okay. So I think once I see it, then it becomes on demand. So let's see. Resume development. This is the one I'm seeing tomorrow. Oh, it's already here.
Welcome to Resume Development.
So maybe this will be available again. Shoot. Oh, was it not there? Let me see. On-demand events. Was it consulting? Marketing business. Oh, it is an on-demand event. Okay, cool. Are you guys able to see this? Let me see. bring this over here and bring this over here. Okay, give me a second. Give me a second. Oh yeah, you guys can't see that on stream. That's hilarious. Don't look at this.
Welcome to Starting a Consulting Business. In this session, we will talk about the difference between consulting and contracting. Is consulting for you? Do you need a business plan? And if so, why? We want to help you with business structure, pricing, marketing, insurance, and other things. So let's get started. So what is consulting? What is contracting? Is there a difference? Actually, there's quite a bit of difference. Let's compare the two. As a consultant, you're brought into a company to provide some sort of intervention. You're being asked to offer your expert advice and give your expertise and make recommendations. In that case, you may be open to some legal liability. At a minimum, you will want to look at general liability insurance and quite possibly errors and omissions insurance. In fact, some companies won't hire you if you don't carry either or both of those. And in most cases, if they put a contract in your hands, they will dictate to you exactly how much insurance you will need to carry. You could do everything right and still get sued. In the case of a consultant, you're actually being hired for your mind. They happen to get your hands for free. In many cases, they want that expert advice, but will not necessarily ask you to implement your own idea. They will have people on staff to do that. But they are, in fact, hiring you, and they're looking for your expert advice.
Watch that later. Alright, so where I was leaving off was still working on the state machine. Trying to migrate this movement, but it's looking like I gotta migrate like everything over. Or this fish behavior just needs to be ignored completely and let the state controller take over. So we start that state. Where did I leave off? I think we start the behavior. Let's see. So I'm going to remove this timer script from this guy. And then he has a state controller now here, which takes the fish navigation behavior. Okay. And I think, oops, that's not what I wanted. I want to add like a infinite loop to that, but we can see this fish navigation here. Oh, that's right. That's what I was doing. The movement is getting fetched, and so I gotta make sure that gets fetched correctly from the behavior script or the fish navigation, which I think we'll get here. And I need, where is this? Get some music in here. get the parent name. Then, so get the movement. Let's see. Update the movement, hit on complete. Now hit the completion handler. There, and is my, I'll just be the state. Cool. We can add something here too. Get this. I just saved this that name. No. I thought it was from. Oh, because this is the state. Not the actual game of it. That's okay. Let me see, what can I get? I can get the behavior standard. Cool. Just for this one. Let's see. Fish navigation. Exchange. Weights and fines. Let's see. Did I get everything? Is this guy gonna move? Doesn't look like it. Let's see. There's missing a reference. Uh-oh. I don't know what script that's supposed to be. Coin, new color, let's see. Please add timer script. Oh crap. Oh, what happened here? So says value must be non-negative. Okay. So for some reason I haven't populated the weights in here. That's should set up the weights. Why did that not set up? Object reference is null. So I am not able to get the movement. Do that wrong. Or is movement is here? I'm looking to get the movement script. Where'd that go?
Okay, so just sit here.
Right there. We're recording.
Got it. Okay.
And you can look
and
right at me.
I'm looking at you.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool.
This should get it. Let's see, what's the parent, I guess? Yo, Dead Flame, what's going on? You know, I was trying to think about more RPG Maker tutorials. might jump into. I gotta like I'm trying to prioritize a list of stuff to do. There's just so much to do and not enough time. But I want to work on some more coding, scripting tutorials. Just gotta come up with like all the examples and stuff. Can't really. I think I can do this. I don't know if I can do this. I haven't tried this. This will be strong. I don't think so. Yeah. Can I do that? I wonder if that'll give me everything. It's like break this up too. I haven't tried this before. Let me see. Set up weights. Oh shoot. somehow understand how this fish movement. I thought that was my error showing up on this stuff. They don't have that new color anymore, so I'm gonna comment that out. Probably should just get rid of it. Don't think we're gonna use it anymore. All those are gonna fail too. Just comment it out. This one's looking to get the timer. This one's still saying index at a range. That is for the get random vector. So this is coming from the state controller. But the weights should be only what? It's not being set up. Why? Just because I can't get the components, really? Try to get rid of all these errors. I think this script is running. None of these are gonna work. Because we changed the shader. And then I don't understand. Did something happen to the audio base? I don't think so. Let me see. Why am I getting audio audio issues. On destroy. A reference issue. It's because the player lost some kind of script. Not sure what happened here. Shoot. This doesn't show what script was removed. Oh no. Wait, these were moved? Who moved these? Must have been me. The perch? Wait, this doesn't look right. What the heck? This is the wrong project. That is the wrong project, my bad. I was like, wait a minute. It's just been code cleanup. What the heck happened? Gosh dang it. Well, not sure what's going on with the audio stuff.
This will be a change.
Even the sweetest changes can be complicated. That goes for your taxes, too. With more than 950 million returns filed, we've helped clients tackle all kinds of firsts.
That client review was brutal.
We're gonna be underwater for weeks.
Yeah, something's going
I'm
on
already
with
so pruny.
sounds.
This is fixable.
Oh, no.
Just use
Look,
Grammarly.
these.
We'll crush it.
I'm already crushed. I cannot be crushed any further. Spoke too soon.
The finance team is
think these
panicking.
got
If
messed
we can't
up.
get approval, we can't make our numbers.
Okay, first use Grammarly's AI to sound confident so the team doesn't think you're drowning. Now let's get to that proposal.
Where do we even start? They hated it. I think we broke our CEO's brain.
His phone isn't even plugged in.
Let's start here. Grammarly can look through the
Yeah,
proposal
I'm
to
not
find
sure
what's
why
missing.
Wow,
these
Like
are
in the
now
intro,
broken
you need
to.
to show the clients what's at stake.
That took me 2 days to
Oh, they're
write. I
all
had to
on
ignore like
that
18
one.
pings
Oh,
from
okay.
patch to
Never
focus
mind.
on it.
Well, now it takes one click. And look,
So
Grammarly
there's just
knows
an
the
issue with
audience
this
is
weights, and I think
non-technical,
that's
so it
what's
can take
causing
out
all
the
these
jargon
errors.
Cool.
and make the benefits easier to understand.
So let's see.
Wow, I think our clients are gonna love this.
I'm gonna resubmit it.
Have weights.
And with Grammarly
new
working
weighted
across
list.
500,000 apps and websites,
Set up weights.
never be underwater again!
For some reason, that is not happening.
It's
I'm
approved.
not sure
Tell the team.
why.
But hey, I think 8 exclamation marks might be overdoing it. Grammarly says 1 is enough.
Well, I appreciate that, Grammarly, but this is an 8 exclamation situation.
Def, totes.
Do I keep my folder names in square
Download Grammarly
brackets?
for free.
I don't really handle the... Are you talking about in the scene? This is what I work with Blind Cat Studios, and this is something he's done, and so yeah, so he keeps everything like in objects, game objects, empty game objects. You can just drop in like children objects in there. I don't have a problem with it. If that's how he wants to work, that's good with me. Oh, so why do I keep it? I think it's just for organization purposes. So it's really just say, hey, like here, these are all the foreground elements. So all these are on foreground, and so you know, like you can work in layers, player objects. But there's like no way to like expand or like close all this. I think that's kind of silly. For Unity, that's like a quality of life thing I think they should add. But because yeah, I can imagine like a lot of games have like 100 assets or hundreds of assets in a scene. So you can see like I don't keep stuff here, but there's also like some things that are sitting out. It's not all just me. But I think it's just for organization purposes. You got all the lights, so the water assets, player objects, and particle stuff, background. So makes it nice. I think everyone's got like their own way of organizing their project, since there aren't folders and such in a scene. But this fish is causing all the problems because for some reason it's not setting up the weights, and don't know why. So I set up the weights, or should set up the weights on start, but this is the fish navigation object, which is here. And you can see it gets it here. I wonder if that's going to be a problem. So there is the on start. It gets the new range. Let's see. I wonder if this is getting hit. But why wouldn't the start function get hit? Because I don't have it in the behavior itself. What you working on? Just my weights. So I like on start, the weights are supposed to be set for the fish navigation, which like determines like which direction it prefers to go. But I don't think my on start call is being called. No, I don't. I mostly work with Swift, which is an iOS language, Apple language, developing mobile apps. That's where my expertise is. I'm okay. I'm not an expert in C#. A lot of the programming stuff, like C++ was like my first language, and then I learned a bit of C#. And then I jumped into Swift and Objective-C. So I develop mobile apps. I would say I'm still in my day job, but I was recently laid off. So kinda, that's why I'm streaming more, working on this game. But, and I'm working on this game with Blind Cat Studios. And so, appreciate any follows. You can check out my links to my YouTube channel, and you can check out our Steam page for the game. Wishlist it there, and you'll be able to get updates there too. But I'm not gonna stream for much longer. It's kind of the end of my stream, so. I think this was not being called. Well, it's weird because it has to be getting called, right? Because it keeps failing to. Oh no, it's not. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think this start method was being called at all. And it was trying to fetch the components, which is why I don't have the movement component. Yeah. If only, but I gotta think about like money coming in too. Because I'm the breadwinner in my relationship, so. And I got family, you know, got kids. But yeah, I'm taking it easy right now because technically I'm still employed for at least another month. And like I've been doing what I've been doing for like a long time, so I got like a good, decent severance package, but kind of like in between, like in limbo right now. Like, you know, where am I gonna go next? Oh, thanks for the follow, Kumar. So like, I'm thinking about jumping into like, maybe do I need to do some consulting? Should I just go back? I used to be a contractor, and do I go back to contracting, or maybe I just go full time? Like, do I try to go full time dev with my YouTube content and my Twitch streams, game dev, develop apps, my personal apps and things like that? So really just like in limbo right now. So I appreciate any support anyone gives me right now. It'll boost my confidence in like, is YouTube, is Twitch going to be able to support me? Or do I need to go contracting, or do I need to go find a job? A 9 to 5. I've been a software developer for 12 years now. You know, started back in 2013. And, you know, so I've been doing it a long time. In my latest role, I was a tech lead. I managed my development team. Hitting our goals, things like that, getting app updates out. So I got the OnStart here. Oh, the OnStart hit. That's not the right one. Yeah, it's not hitting my start function. I don't know why. Okay. Oh, I'll be right back.